Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix this error. Here you can see it 0x80070570. So how we can fix it? First you need to go to your file system, so just open it. Go to your file system, open. So after you open, just go to this PC. Here you can see your system disk, so just right click on it, choose properties, and here you can see tools, and in the tools you will see this option will check the drive for file system errors. Just click on check. You don't need to scan this drive. We haven't found any errors on this drive. You can still scan the drive for errors if you want. So you just click on scan drive, and now you just need to wait some time after it will scan all your disk for different errors, corrupting files, and just fixing it. So if it doesn't help you, just wait after it will finish. So here you can see that it will take approximately about 3 or 4 minutes to 5 minutes to check all files, and after it will finish you can also try another thing. It's to go to search tab and just write in search tab cmd. Here you will see your command prompt, so just right click on it and choose run as administrator. So now you click yes, and here you just need to enter as vc scan now, and just click enter. So now you just need to wait some time after it will scan all your system for different corrupting files, errors, missing files, and just fixing it. So just wait after it will finish, about 100% it will finish. So now you just need to wait for scanning. Here you can see verification 0%, and it will approximately add it so just wait after it will scan all your system. Thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.